Have you ever wanted to be at the front of something big? Something that will change the world, revolutionize the health of generations to come? The time has arrived. Witness one of the most visionary products of this century, one that will slow the aging process and literally transform how long and how healthy you live. Introducing the world's most scientifically advanced nitric oxide formula, and it's your key to living 10 years younger.
We created a strategic partnership with the world-leading nitric oxide laboratory, and we worked together to screen hundreds of foods, botanicals, and extracts to determine the best building blocks for producing nitric oxide.
Nitric oxide, also known as NO, holds the key to potentially hundreds of immunology, neurology, and physiology processes. Its discovery as a cellular signaling molecule revolutionized our understanding of how cells communicate. Nitric oxide is a gas, but more importantly, it's a messenger gas with amazing power. It's so powerful, in fact, that in the past decade, it has become one of the world's most exciting, most studied molecules. These studies have revealed its unusual ability to quickly penetrate cells and send specific messages, such as arteries to relax and expand, immune cells to react to harmful invaders, and brain cells to communicate with each other.
Nitric oxide is one of the most important signaling molecules in the body. It is involved in virtually every organ system and modulates an astonishing variety of effects. Perhaps its most recognized function is its unique ability to signal the smooth muscles and relax the inner lining of the vascular system.
Now, without significant nitric oxide production, arteries can stiffen, narrow, and this can restrict circulation and nutrient delivery and even allow the buildup of plaque.
Unfortunately, as we age, NO production slows dramatically. Lack of NO can lead to a number of serious health concerns, including elevated blood pressure, heart disease, stroke, chronic inflammation, and decreased sexual function.
While most arteries tend to stiffen and narrow with age, it was recently demonstrated that by restoring nitric oxide production, they relax and expand again, essentially returning them to normal function.
Having optimal levels of nitric oxide has significant health benefits. It promotes a healthy vascular system as you age, and the most obvious benefit of this goes across the entire cardiovascular system, including supporting healthy blood pressure within normal range. Enhancing circulation also improves nutrient delivery to muscles, tissues, and your organs.
Nitric oxide production during aging promotes a healthy vascular system, supports normal blood pressure, enhances blood circulation, improves nutrient delivery to muscles, tissues, and organs, and supports normal sexual function. Enter an array of nitric oxide supplements, each claiming to be the magic bullet for increased NO production and improved circulation. Unfortunately, few have been as effective as scientists and consumers had hoped, especially for the aging population.
Most of the nitric oxide supplements on the market are based on taking large doses of L-arginine, but this pathway becomes increasingly less effective as we age.
Thanks to Kivana's breakthrough team of physicians and scientific advisors, Kivana has applied the latest science.
We have partnered with the world's top scientists to deliver the most complete and efficient nitric oxide supplement available. This proprietary formula sets the standard because it uses several different pathways to help your body efficiently and effectively produce optimal levels of nitric oxide.
Until now, there's been no easy way to measure nitric oxide activity in your system. However, we've changed that. Working with a select group of scientists, we now have access to the first real-time, at-home test that allows you to easily monitor the nitric oxide potential in your system, the NO Instant Indicator.
Without taking a blood test or even setting foot in a doctor's office, Kivana's NO Instant Indicator puts you in control of your body, and that's a good feeling.
This real-time, non-invasive self-test is so welcomed. From my clinical experience, anytime a person can measure and test themselves, well, you'll see a dramatic increase in their willingness to take ownership of their health long-term.
So let's recap. First, We all need more nitric oxide than we can produce. And while store-bought supplements might make a small difference in our NO levels, most of them target the L-arginine pathway, which is highly complex, involving many different molecules, and becomes increasingly ineffective at creating NO as we age. Now there is a better way. Are you ready to enjoy health, vitality, and longevity? To live 10 years younger starting today? It's not a fad, and it's not a gimmick. It's a real life change backed by real science, and it's all within your reach right now. To test your current nitric oxide level and begin your ultimate transformation today, simply contact the Kivana representative who shared this video with you. It's fast and easy, and you'll wonder why you didn't do it sooner. We can't wait to celebrate the new you and your brand new future.